Yeah, Jason, brisk out there today, and looks like tomorrow morning we could be seeing snow, at least a little bit of it.
Definitely. Southern Maine, messy snow over to some sleet, freezing rain, and then some plain rain. So any way you look at it, it is going to be a stormy one. How about up in Bangor? Now, this is going to be snow more towards middle of the day, the flakes coming down. 33 degrees for the high, light snow in the forecast. Not heavy. It's not going to stop you from getting from point A to point B, but it will be coming down. As far as satellite goes, the last couple hours, you've seen the clouds starting to lower and thicken over towards Kittery, and here is the storm. It's basically just a warm front. This is not a nor'easter or even basically a storm that's going to go up the coast. This is just a warm front. Out ahead of the warm front, you have the precipitation, and during the morning, that wake-up time around 7 o'clock, that's where the snow begins. And then by 10 o'clock, notice it's not snowing at all down east, really. Starting to see that changeover here with the onshore flow. That warm nose of air punching in to the atmosphere is going to change things over from snow over to rain, over towards sleet as we get through the middle of the morning time. It is still snowing, though, up in Greenville, Rangeley, Augusta, and then it changes over to that freezing rain in Lewiston by middle of the day. By the afternoon at 5 o'clock, it's snowing up north. It is not snowing down south. So that's it. That's the warm front, really. The only snow you're going to have at 10 o'clock tomorrow night, and watch for the ice up in Caribou and in the county. So as far as amounts go, I've tweaked things a bit here from Keith and Todd with the latest information. I'm going to go an inch or less here in the white, up to an inch in the blue, and 1 to 3 over towards the White Mountains, the Presidential Range, the Oxford Hills. Okay, this is not a big deal, but it will be significant because it's the morning time and it's going to be messy. Freezing rain right now, some numbers not showing up, basically zeros, but watch out for just enough to kind of cause some problems. Not power outage numbers, but certainly watch those sidewalks especially. For the Mariners, seas at 2 feet. Small craft is up for Wednesday to Thursday. Next 3 days, it's snow, ice to rain for most of us. Up north, it'll stay as all snow, but it will be light snow. For Friday, it's mountain snow and snow squalls, but south of that, a lot of sun and cold. And then for Veterans Day, 38 to 41, dry and cold. And that theme will continue for several days. 40s, not 50s, not 60s. And wow, I mean, remember not long ago, it was a week and a half, it was in the mid-80s. That's long gone. We are now turning the corner. However, I can tell you that as we're now basically about less than 15 days away from Thanksgiving, it is going to warm back up again. In between shows tonight, I looked at the long-range stuff to try and give you a little bit of hope because we're not going straight into the depths of winter.
Yep.
And there are some signs we'll get back to at least around the 60s again even before Thanksgiving.
Okay, it is Maine after all, so that tends to happen this time of year.
Anything can happen around here, Zach.